Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by going into settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into additional settings and tap on keyboard and input method. Then pick your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and go into theme. Over here click on show mode to see all available options, and when you're done, you can pick a color and tap on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them. Lastly, click apply. You can also do the same by clicking on one of the images, tapping on the same switcher and clicking apply. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!